Okay, so I'm back and I'm really happy and excited for you guys to see this summer makeup tutorial sweatproof slash sweatproof. I really wanted to make sure I show you guys my tips and tricks for keeping your makeup flawless and sweatproof and in place during the summer. And also I wanted to add a little bit, ruby peachy orangey jello makeup tutorial. It was inspired by the sun. I added a little bit of glitter, as you can see, because why not? And yeah, I'm really excited. I'm back with this video. I thought you guys were liking the vlogs, but so far I think you guys like me doing more makeup tutorials,
because honestly my life is not that freaking interesting, so whatever.
But I am gonna keep vlogging a little bit because I do want to keep letting you guys to get to know me a little bit more. I just don't want to be like, hi guys, so today I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial and stuff like that. There's really no explanation. Well, there's a lot of explanations why I wasn't filming, but I'm just excited to be back, so I don't really want to talk about it a lot. I just got too caught up in real life and I forgot about what I actually want to do. So right now I'm just concentrating on what I want to do, what makes me happy. It's really important for us as college students, high school students that are graduating, to not remember what really makes us happy. I think we forget about our talents and about our goals and what really makes us happy after we're out of high school and we are in college and we have to graduate and all this stuff. We concentrate on things that we really don't care. In my opinion, I do care about graduating, but it's not my passion. My passion is doing YouTube, doing makeup, putting myself out there and letting people know what I do and my talents. And I just forgot about that. I forgot about my passion and I let YouTube aside because I was too caught up in the struggle, and adulting, freaking paying my bills, struggling, stuff like that. If you just graduated high school, just remember that God put that dream in you for a reason and you should not neglect it. I know I neglected my dreams. God put that dream in you for a reason. So a little inspirational speech before we start this video. I'm really happy to be back and I'm really grateful that you guys stick through me. I'm gonna make sure I upload once a week or twice a week. If you want to put your input in my videos, please make sure you follow me on Instagram. If you're not subscribed to my channel, which I don't know why you are not if you're watching me, just saying, you should totally follow me on my Instagram so you know every time I upload my videos. If you haven't already, let's get it out of the way right now. Please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Become a part of mi familia and YouTube. And let's get on to the video. Okay, so we're gonna start with our face. We're gonna prime our face and all that good stuff. Oh my gosh, my hair looks cray. Okay, whatever. So this is a Too Faced Hangover RX primer, and as you can see, I'm running out of it. My favorite primer is mostly the Milani Prime Perfect. The white one is so good. I'm just gonna put this on my T-zone area because I have pores, really big pores here, and on my forehead. It's really important for you to prime your face mostly because it helps you not get pimples. It makes your foundation look flawless. It closes your pores. It makes your foundation look more like actual skin. Yeah, that's why it's really important to prime. I do like this primer a lot. Do I think it does something? A little bit. I do notice that my face look more rejuvenized when I use this primer, but I also can go without this primer. I don't need it in my everyday basis. The Milani though, the Milani primer is key. I need that ASAP. I need to go buy it, but I haven't gone. So because it's pretty hot, I'm gonna use my Mario Badescu skincare water. This is the cucumber one. The rose water I think is pretty good too, but I really like this one too. Whew. It also tastes good. It went into my mouth. It also tastes good, just letting you all know. And now we are gonna put on some foundation. Okay, this is my Milani. I told you guys I really like Milani. This is a Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. This is a 2-in-1 foundation, so it is a concealer and a foundation in one. What? I know. I really like this foundation. I know a lot of people don't like it, but it is considered one of drugstore's best foundation, and Allison approved. So I'm just using like half a pump, not a lot. This foundation is pretty full coverage. What I used to blend my foundation is the Real Techniques medium sculpting brush. So I'm just gonna get some with my finger, and I'm gonna dot it all over my face, en la nariz, and just a little, like literally a little on the forehead. I really don't like to put a lot of foundation on my forehead, and more now because I have a copete. I always start from the neck up. I'm so happy that there's literally no one right now in my apartment, or that's what I think. Yeah, I don't want to film when people are here. It's not a good filming environment when people are here. Right now it might look a little bit yellow, but honestly I don't care, because after I put a concealer, the foundation becomes way lighter. Okay, so for concealer, I'm using the British Skin Concealer by Maybelline, and this is in the shade Ivory. I tried to apply a little bit of concealer, you know, we don't need a lot. It's my nose, around my nose, because I get really red. With my Real Techniques Beauty Blender, I'm just gonna blend everything. So I'm just gonna take the Access foundation that I have on my face, because I went a little bit overboard. This is a key step to make your foundations last all day. Okay, so I use the RCMA powder. I just put it in this little Laura Mercier container because it's way easier to get from the actual container that looks like freaking garlic salt thingy. You know, the container where you put garlic salt, it looks like that. So I just put a little bit here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set my under eyes and all of my face with this powder. You might be like, oh my gosh, Allison, you're gonna get a flashback, but no girl. So you dip it in there, it's gonna look like this. And I use my Morphe beauty blender, and I love this thing. I love it so much. I really need a new one, even though this still looks pretty new. But what I love is that I love how it packs powder, and plus this, oh girl, like when you bake, it cuts, it chisels, all good. Pretty much recommend it. If you don't have this beauty blender, get it. And now you put it all over your face. As you can see, I just bake a little under my eyes because I don't want to get like dry patches. I feel like I get the most dry patches on the summer. I don't know why. So now I'm just gonna set the heck out of my nose, because this is the area where my foundation leaves first after a long day of wearing it. I love the RCMA powder. If you have dry skin, I totally recommend the RCMA powder. It literally makes my face look airbrush. It's crazy, but I don't know, I just started noticing it, that I started getting so much compliments on my Instagram posts and also in person about how flawless my foundation looks, and it's the RCMA powder. So after I put the RCMA powder, as you can see, I still have a little bit of residue of the RCMA powder, but I still want to leave it there. This is something Patrick Star taught me, and I think you all know. So he first sets like crazy his foundation, and after that he goes in with a foundation powder to like neutralize his skin color, because as you know, you get pretty white after you put the RCMA powder or any translucent powder of your choice. If you have dry skin, I do prefer the RCMA powder more for dry skin than the Laura Mercier. I just think the Laura Mercier didn't make my face look so airbrush as the RCMA powder. After that, I go with the Super Stay Better Skin Maybelline. I don't know if it's like a powder foundation, but after that, I just go in, pat, and literally take the powder away with this powder. This is the shade 20 Classic Ivory. Yeah, I'm the lightest shade on everything. I really need a tan. Looking at the monitor, I look tan, but like I'm freaking white. My friend Margot had recommended it to me a long time ago, but I was too lazy to like buy it online. Now I have it. It's amazing, and that thing will last you honestly like a year or two, depending how much you do your makeup. I think like a year. Airbrush, as you can see, it looks matte. I look pretty matte. Sorry. For highlight, I'm using the Milani Afterglow Strobe Light in 01. I'm gonna go in with highlight first. This is just my preference. I like applying highlighter first. And with my Morphe 5008, 508 and 508. I'm gonna go in and apply this on the arch of my brow. I don't know why, if I'm gonna cover my brows right now. Also here now on the tip of my nose. I don't really like going like this. I feel like it makes my nose look bigger. Some of my products haven't changed, as you can see. I like applying highlight first. I don't like putting the bronzer first and then having like a whole line of highlight. I like it to blend with the bronzer. But right now we're gonna jump to the eyes because as you can see I'm not organized, so yeah. I like to go like here on my shin because I like for my cheeks to look like they're like that, you know, like they're like, I don't know, shiny. I like that. Hey. So you make this really ugly face and you apply your highlight. You see? Ooh. You see that? You see how cute it looks? There you go. Okay, we're gonna jump to the eyes just because I'm weird like that. So for the eyes, I'm gonna use the Morphe 35B palette. This is a new palette. I'm really excited to try it out. Even though I'm not gonna really like use it because I'm not gonna use a lot of eyeshadows honestly. So let's open this baby up. Woo! I'm excited. Look at this. Oh, it's cute. We're gonna get this color Raw Heel. This one Raw Heel. And I'm using my Morphe E27. I love this blending brush. It's the bomb diggity. So we're just gonna apply it all over the lid. And this is like a messy tutorial, okay? This is like no direction makeup tutorial. Something messy and, you know, we're gonna apply more and we're just gonna pat instead of blending. So pan. Honestly, I feel like it looks more on the brush than on my eye. When you apply this shadow, pat. No blending, just pat. Dang, it's getting hot. The only place we're gonna blend is at the inner corner of the crease, and we're just gonna blend it a little bit up to the eyebrow with my Morphe M167. This is a patting brush. I'm gonna apply this peach shade all over the lid. It's kind of like a peachy, yeah, peach. Look at that. Oh my god, can you see that? Guys, I'm kind of regretting not putting eye primer. So these eyeshadows are actually really pigmented and I didn't use an actual eye primer for them. So Morphe came through. With the Morphe 433, this is unnecessary. If you don't want to apply more eyeshadow, don't apply it. This is another blending brush. We're just gonna apply eyeshadow, more pinkity peach eyeshadow. Look at that. Oh my god, can you see that? That's so beautiful. And we're just gonna put it at the outer corner of the lid and also at the inner corner of the lid. Why not? Why not I do a crazy dance? Baby, why not? You're always dressing yellow when you wanna dress in gold. I don't know why I have that song in my head. I really want to apply some glitter, but like this, it looks pretty good honestly. Like I like the matte look and everything, but just because glitter, you know, is bae. What the heck am I saying? We're just gonna apply some little bit of glitter to the lower lash line. We're just gonna apply it to the freaking lower lash line. Why not? I'm using the Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy in the corner of the lower lash line and just a little bit here, just a little, not a lot. So I had to apply my lashes off of camera because I haven't applied lashes for I think my last makeup tutorial. So I don't know if they look good, if they look like wonky. For bronzer, I'm using my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. And so first what I do, I pat it and then I bring it to apply a little bit on the chin, apply a little bit on the nose. Now for blush, I love applying blush. Before I didn't like it, but now I do. I'm gonna use my Milani Luminoso blush and we're gonna apply a lot. We do this face. We're gonna apply a little bit to the nose because we want to look like blushing, you know. Now we're gonna bake because I like my contour to look pretty clean, you know, so we're gonna bake it. Ooh, what a difference. It really does make a difference, guys. For the lips, I'm gonna apply a lip gloss, and this is the NYX Strictly Vanilla lip gloss. The name of the lip gloss is Sugar Mama, and people love this lip gloss on me. Like, I have gotten so many compliments, so if you have seen me with luscious lips, this is what I'm wearing on my lips. So I'm gonna apply it. I'm not even gonna line my lips. I don't need to put something else. This thing is pigmented, okay? So like, it already covered all my redness of my lips. They already covered it, so I don't really like have to apply like another lipstick. At least he's putting corridos that I like and that I know. I'm sure you guys cannot hear it because I'm using like a microphone, so hopefully you cannot hear it. Dun dun dun. To set my face, I'm going to use the All Nighter Setting Spray by Urban Decay, and I'm gonna cover my eyes. Never mind. Okay, so this is the finished look. How do you like it? For like a comeback, it's pretty good. It's pretty good, you know. As you can see, I have a new look. I have a toupee, a copeton, you know. I need to cut it because it's pretty long. So yeah, I hope you guys like the toupee, you know. It's something new. I mentioned it in my vlog. But yeah, I'm gonna try to upload more makeup tutorials for sure. I already have my equipment. I have everything set up how I like it. So yeah, thank you again so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And if you didn't like it, well, give it a thumbs up anyways because you already watched it if you're seeing me say this. Thank you so much for watching this makeup tutorial. Remember, los quiero mucho, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Mwah.